Hello, welcome back to Wineinger Racing. Today I'll be working on my GMC C10. As you already know, the engine and transmission's pulled out. Wiring's all pulled out. Today we'll be tackling the interior. I'll be taking out the seats, carpet, dash carpet, fuel tank, everything in here. So let's get started. So these seats are clearly not factory for this C10. They're out of a Tahoe. So I mounted bolts through the floorboard and there's nuts on the bottom to get these out. Both seats are unbolted, so let's go ahead and take these out. I'm going to do my dad's favorite thing to do and put nuts and bolts in a coffee can. All this is for the transmission mount and engine mounts. Now that the seats are out, let's remove this old, nasty carpet. Look at that. What is that? Some old sound deadening? Don't need that where we're going. This is absolutely disgusting. Alright, let's see what I can do about all this. Yep. I'm gonna use a putty knife to get this old sound deadening out of here. Try to anyways. Alright, now that I made a huge mess of things, let's vacuum this up. Got a penny from 2001. $19.65 quarter. How about that? Now, in order to get the dashboard out, there are some nuts in here, and we got some screws right here. So I'm going to take the gauges off so I can access the nuts on the bottom. Alright, at the gauges, you have to take these knobs out. And in order to do that, that one comes off like that, but the light switch, it doesn't come out like that. So you have to pull it like the headlights are on, and behind there's a little tab that you push in to pull it all the way out. Comes out just like that. As far as everything else, these just unscrew. And then we got some Phillips head screws around here. Now that this is loose, let's undo some connections underneath, and then I can pull it all the way out. Underneath here, there's a connection right up here, just for the factory gauges. And right here, I made some connections for when I did the LS swap. So let's undo these. Along with the wiring connections, there's also the speedometer connection, which is way up there. So I undid that. Now we can remove the gauge cluster. Now we have access to all the nuts and screws for the dash pad. While we're here, let's remove these. Alright, now that the switches are out of the way, the headlight switch and the wiper switch, now we have access to the nuts behind the dashboard here. I already took this one out, so let's find the other ones. There's one right there. There's a couple more on this side. appears that all the nuts are out of the way. Let's unscrew it from the dash. Now that we got the dashboard out of here and the carpet, we're going to try to use some adhesive remover to get rid of everything else, all the glue that's still stuck to the floorboard here. And we're going to take out the gas tank.